In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, click on additional settings. Now select languages and input, manage keyboards and Gbird. Lastly, click on text correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!